Yo, what's up everyone? Glad you guys are tapping in. In today's video, bro, I'm showing you the only side of these meme coins that actually pays, and it's definitely not by trading. Most people out here are just getting cooked, staring at charts and scanning the market just to get dumped on, but we don't do that. We dev and we launch the coins instead. Deving meme coins in 2026, bro, has been an absolute gold mine for me, and the crazy part is it's still fucking untapped. I'm gonna show you exactly how the play works, and then I'll run a live example right now. Before we start, make sure you watch till the end. I'll be dropping one soul anywhere in this video. Check the Phantom wallet. This is the proof right here. Nearly $9 million just from deving, not from chasing charts like everyone else. If you're trying to figure out how this actually works, you're in the right spot at the perfect time. See, most people trade these meme coins and just get smoked, but it's not because they're unlucky. They lose because every time they hit buy, they're getting liquidated 2 minutes later. You guys have to realize the new wave is deving. The guys behind these coins are printing money because they just launch, wait for people to FOMO in, and then they dump it all on your head. That's why being a dev is way more profitable than being a trader in 2026. Look at this other chart. Same exact story, bro. It hit a 50,000 market cap and then the dev just nuked it. That's why the heavy hitters and KOLs like Orangey are quitting trading and just launching instead. It's low risk, massive upside, and honestly, it's just more fun. When you trade, your money goes straight to the creator. You're basically gambling on a dev you don't even know. But when you launch your own, you're the one in control. Launching is simple. I'm even doing a live example in this video. All we're doing is picking a narrative, building the coin, waiting for the volume to hit, and then cashing out. There's a specific strategy to this, and that's why I'm dropping this video. I'm tired of seeing people in my community lose money to other devs. I want us to be the ones winning. Let's fucking go, bro. Keep watching. By the way, bro, I am making this video, okay, for educational purposes only, to educate every single one of you guys on how deving works, okay? So please, bro, I am not a financial advisor. Now, look, most people trying to dev these days are just stuck on Pump.fun, but let me tell you why you're honestly just wasting your time there. First off, Pump.fun is completely cooked. It's way too oversaturated. There are so many coins dropping every single second that your project is just gonna get buried instantly. It goes dry, no one sees it, and no one buys. And on top of that, bro, Pump.fun is literally taxing you. They take a cut of your liquidity and a percentage of your creator fees. So before you even get started, you're already losing money and killing your coin's potential. The goal for any dev is to get your coin onto Raydium, which means hitting that $55,000 market cap on Pump.fun. But let's be real, hitting 55,000 in that mess is almost impossible for guys like us just because the noise is too loud. You're basically fighting for crumbs. That's exactly why I use Solana tokenlabs.io, because every single coin launched through that platform gets pushed straight to Raydium and shown to thousands of people instantly. You're basically skipping the whole bonding curve phase from Pump.fun and getting in front of real buyers right away. Instead of waiting and hoping for traction, your token is immediately visible to traders who are actively looking to invest, buy, or flip new meme coins. That's a massive advantage. But for this to work properly, you still need one key thing: a strong idea, a solid narrative behind your meme coin. Go on X, go on TikTok, and look for a strong narrative. Right now, for example, the Punch Baby Monkey meme is going crazy on TikTok and pretty much everywhere. That's attention, and attention is what moves meme coins. So in today's video, I'm taking that viral meme and turning it into a coin so it can get in front of as many buyers as possible. First, I'll download the image from the internet, add some simple text on it, resize it in Canva to 500 by 500 pixels, and then head over to Solana tokenlabs.io to set everything up. Connect your wallet, you'll see a pop-up asking for authorization. Just hit confirm and you're in. Now we fill in the token details. I'm naming this one Baby Monkey and shortening it to Punch to keep it catchy. Upload the meme logo you're going to use. I already downloaded mine and resized it in Canva. Click next and keep moving. When you reach the token settings page, don't change anything. It's already perfectly set up. You want the full 1 billion token supply and we'll need that later. For the description, you can write whatever you like. I'm putting, fine, I'll bring my own happiness. Then just click continue and move on. Next, you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this, I always do. It's never caused any issues for my Raydium launches. Just turn off the toggle and continue. After that, it'll ask if you want to add creator info and a project website for 0.1 Solana. Honestly, not worth it. Toggle it off and save your soul. Now comes one of the coolest parts, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.fun, which can help build early trust and hype. Just keep in mind, if you choose 4-letter endings like moon or pump, it can take around 20 minutes to update. If you don't want to wait, go with shorter endings like PM or MO. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches, and this part is critical. Make sure all 3 stay on. If the revoke freeze is off, you can freeze trading. Huge red flag. If revoke mint is off, you can mint unlimited tokens. Another red flag. If revoke update is off, you can change the contract anytime. Massive red flag. Serious buyers check this immediately. If they see anything turned off, they're gone. So keep everything on and click create token. Your phantom wallet will pop up. Confirm the transaction. You might see a block warning. That's completely normal. Every single coin gets that at the beginning. Just click proceed, confirm you understand, and then hit confirm. And boom, the coin is officially live on the Solana network. Then click view token and it will automatically redirect you to the Explorer Solana. If I open my Phantom wallet right now, you can see the full 1 billion supply of our Baby Monkey meme coins sitting there. You can also double check your token by just copying your token address and pasting it on Solscan so you can see our token is minted. Now it's time to set up the liquidity pool. Head back to Solana tokenlabs.io and copy your token address. At the top of the website, you'll see the Create Liquidity option. Click it and it will redirect you to Raydium. Make sure your wallet is connected. Then click Create and select Standard AMM from the pool options. Next, click the token selector and paste your token address into the Raydium search bar. Add your token details. For this demo, I'm using Punch as the symbol and Baby Monkey as the name. Click Add User Token, then select it again from the list. Now we'll set up the liquidity. Out of the 1 billion total supply, we're going to provide 900 million tokens and pair them with Solana. Since you're the very first liquidity provider, you can safely max it out. Just make sure to subtract the 0.2 Sol fee first so you don't run into an error. Set the fee tier to 0.25%, double check all the details, and then click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Once you confirm the transaction, your liquidity pool goes live, and now your coin is officially tradable. If you head over to Photon and open the filters section, select Raydium, you'll see your coin right there at the top of the list. Now for the push phase, you need to promote your meme coin. There are basically 2 methods. The first one is manual promotion. That means boosting your coin on X, TikTok, or any other social media platform. You post consistently, build hype, reply to comments, and try to get attention organically. It works, but it takes time. If you want a faster push, I use promotememes.fun. That's the platform I go to when I want quick exposure and instant momentum on a token. Forget wasting hours manually posting everywhere. PromoteMemes.fun gives you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. First, connect your Phantom wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for approval. Just click connect. Now paste your token address. Go back to Solana Token Labs, copy your token address, come back to PromoteMemes.fun and paste it in. Next, choose your promotion package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 Sol option for maximum reach. Make sure to toggle include free website. This feature is exclusive to this platform. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'm using Baby Monkey, and for the DEX, select Raydium, then hit confirm, click pay and promote. Your Phantom wallet will pop up again, approve the transaction, and that's it. Now just watch. It automatically creates a professional website and promotes your token to thousands of traders at the same time. Boom, website ready. Within seconds, you've got a live landing page with tokenomics, real-time chart links, and everything investors need to check out your project. Now let's switch back to the Photon dashboard and see what's happening to our chart in real time. Bro, are you seeing this? Literally seconds after the promo went live, the chart is going crazy. Look at the transaction feed in the bottom left. It's just a wall of green. Buy after buy after buy. People are aping in fast. Oh my god, look right there. Someone just dropped 1 SOL. And immediately after that, another 0.8 SOL buy comes in. It's happening so quickly you can barely keep up. The sniper bots are automatically detecting the contract. Real traders are FOMOing in hard. Volume is flowing in instantly. You can actually watch the green candles form in real time, pushing up, breaking resistance, and setting a new floor. The market cap is climbing right in front of us. Let me open the Phantom wallet real quick to check our bags, unlocking it now. Boom. You can see the SOL balance sitting there nice and clean, and we still have full control over the setup. This is exactly how momentum starts. Now, jump back over to Raydium and click on portfolio at the top of the site. Here you'll see your current position, and yeah, it's profit time. Click the minus symbol, then drag the slider all the way to 100% to remove everything. As you can see, we're sitting at around $8,000 in profit. Ignore everything else on the screen, just focus on the SOL value. I'm about to receive roughly 107 SOL. Now click remove liquidity and approve the transaction, and there it is, confirmation received, funds secured. Let me open up my Phantom wallet for proof. Boom, you can see we just received around 107 SOL, which is about $8,000. It's right there in the wallet. Now you've learned how to launch your own meme coin the right way. The key is choosing a strong viral meme and executing it properly. In this example, I only invested around 1.5 SOL into the entire setup, and we turned that into roughly $8,000 in profit, which is about 107 SOL. That's the power of picking the right meme and following the right method step by step. If you follow these same steps carefully and stay smart with your entries and exits, there's no reason you can't do the same. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 SOL to 1 person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word rug pull. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours. I'm announcing it on my Telegram channel. Make sure you follow, because without following, you won't be eligible to receive any SOL coins. I regularly post lots of giveaways there, so don't miss out.